One common question about law and liberty is the extent to which federalism promotes or hinders liberty. There are many cases in which the federal government could, at first glance, increase people's liberty by requiring the local government to leave them alone. For example, many local governments have public decency standards, in particular standards about how you can dress in public. The federal government might step in and say, no, you can't do that. You have to allow everyone to dress however they want, perhaps even up to not wearing anything at all out in public. Now, at first glance, that's increasing everyone's liberty. Everyone is able to wear what they want. But there's a catch here. If everyone can wear as little as they want or even nothing, then other people do not have the ability to go out and walk down the street with the expectation that they won't have to see people wearing little or no clothing. So, in a sense, we have people that want to be able to do different things. The local government has stepped down on one side or the other of the question. There is something to be said for leaving things open to the local government. In particular, if local governments can set a variety of standards for public dress, then people have some ability to simply move to places where they find the standards more congenial. So if people want to wear very little clothing, they can move to a place with very relaxed standards. If people want to be able to go down the street without having to see certain things, then they can move to places where there's a stricter standard for how people can dress in public. This creates some really difficult questions. In general, this points to the question of whether giving more power to the local government as opposed to the federal government tends to increase or inhibit liberty.